Hey guys, welcome back. Isaac with another protein snack review. Hopefully you're having an awesome Thursday. Back with the Muscle Truffles. These guys are an Aussie brand. They sell this packaged mix basically with for protein balls. All the stats for all these balls are the same. So you're looking at the back here. They make around, for us they made 14. The package they say 17, so you've got to make them a little bit smaller. Once you add a little bit of coconut oil here, so I'll just give you the stats with the coconut oil. It's not much, so it's fine. You're looking at 3.25 grams of fat, you're looking at 6 carbohydrates, and you're looking at 5 grams of protein. So pretty across the board stat range for the macros there. And calories wise, they're 81 calories total, so per protein ball. So that's really good, extremely low calorie, and that's the thing they're trying to be. They're trying to be this really low calorie option, so that's great. This one here is not cookies and cream. This one is strawberries and cream. So this should taste pretty good, I think. So let's give this a go. They look the part. That's one of my little things. At least it's, you know, sort of a strawberry color, pink, red. Very subtle. You can taste sort of the oats or something that they use in it. Strawberry in this is very subtle. It's still very sweet because of the stevia that you're using, which I've critiqued pretty much every single flavour. They use stevia as their sweetener, or one of them. And I don't like stevia massively, but again, like I said, my wife, she's fine with this. She has no problem whatsoever, so it's just a personal sort of preference. I like this one. The flavour, I wish it was a little bit more of the strawberry. But again, like I mentioned in all the other videos, when you're limited by this many calories, it's hard to get everything that you want. So for the calories, this is still great. I like the flavour, very sweet. Where's this one going to land? I like this one. I think it's a 7.1 today for this one, guys. I like it. They're extremely low calorie. Pretty much anyone will be able to eat them. They would be able to eat them when they're dieting or not. And for that reason, I think they're a great option. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow. We'll do our last one, and then we'll be going into some more sort of frozen, I think that frozen yogurt we're doing Saturday, Sunday. So we'll see you then. If you can like the video and subscribe, that would be great. See you then.